one is my second video of this chapter. Good morning students. This one is my second video of this chapter. In the first video I taught you all till here, and in this video I start from here. In the third paragraph we have seen, we have studied what happened when Kezia presents in front of his father. When Kezia presents in front of his father, he starts stammering due to fear. So this one is the reason, and looking such type of incidents, looking such type of pictures, her father is also very upset. And after this way, her father says to her grandma that she is very bad girl. Whenever she comes to me, she is very upset and she is stammering. In this way, he advises her. He advises his mother to teach her it's not good behavior. And after this way I completed till here. In this video I start to teach you all from here. He was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. Thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant. Giant, it means vishal, बहुत बृहद, बड़ा. And after this one, yawn, जमा ही लेना, yawning करना. Whenever we take too much air from mouth, open your mouth, this one is yawn. This one is known as yawn. In these lines we find that writer describes the physical appearance of Kezia's father. Kezia's father. Kezia's father has a good height, and his body is very. You can say his body is very tall, and when he says she accepts that when her father yawns, he is like a giant. In this way she thinks, and she accepts his hands and his neck are very big. And after this way, this one is the physical appearance. In these lines we find what is the physical appearance of her father. She accepts because she is very little girl, so she says that her father is very tall person, he is a very big person, and his hands and his neck legs are very tall. In this way, this one is the over. Let me roll down on the next paragraph. Paragraph number 4. On Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with her father and mother. But the little girl always found mother. but the little girl always found mother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. But the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. Soundly, whenever anyone sleeps deeply, this one is the soundly, and snoring, making a noise by your nose. In this paragraph we find that on Sunday her grandmother, Kezia's grandmother, sends her to her father's drawing room because she knows that her father and mother both are in the drawing room, and if Kezia goes there, Kezia will have to talk them. But when Kezia enters the drawing room, she finds both are doing their own work. One of them, it means her father is sleeping on the cushion, covering his mouth by his handkerchief, and her mother is also sitting on the sofa and she is reading the newspaper. And this one is, she accepts that he is sleeping soundly and is creating sound. And after this way, she does not find, in this paragraph we find she does not find proper time to talk them. But she thought, but she enters due to her grandma. And after this one, what happened? Let me roll down next paragraph. This one is the picture. In this picture we find it is his father, and she is this one is the Kezia, and this one is her mother. And after this one, what happens? Let me roll down next paragraph. The little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out. Stretch out, stretching करना मतलब spreading करना. Stretched out on the sofa. So in this paragraph we find that when she enters the room, she finds her mother is reading the newspaper and her father is just sorry, is sleeping soundly and creating sound. After what happened, let me roll down next paragraph. She sat on a stool gravely. Gravely means seriously. Watched him until he woke and stretched and asked the time. Then looked at her. Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. In this way, when her grandmother sends her to the drawing room, to the father's drawing room, she comes in the father's drawing room and she sits in on the stool, on a stool. And when she sits on a stool, she starts observing and analyzing her father, and she looks at her father until he wakes up. And when her father wakes up, first of all he asks her what's time. And after this, when he finds that Kezia stares him. Kezia stares him. He advises Kezia that don't look at me like this way, because when you look at me like this way, you are like a brown owl. In this way, when any senior person, yeah, whenever any older person in your family, elder or older person in your family behaves with any girl, yeah, with any children like this way, automatically he or she, that baby, he or she, it will be afraid, yeah, will be feared that person. And after then what happened, let me roll down next paragraph. One day when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week, and she suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. In this paragraph we find in this paragraph we find that there is only one person in her family, that is her grandmother, who loves her and who understands Kezia. And so Kezia spends her time with her grandmother. And one day when Kezia plays indoors game, yeah, when Kezia stays indoors with a cold, it means outside there is a cold, and so he has to stay in the door, in the home. And when she stays in the home, her grandmother advises her that in the next week your father birthday will be. And so she advises her grandchild that you need to make a beautiful handmade gift. And for this she advises her that you need to make a pin cushion for a gift out of beautiful piece of yellow silk. It means from yellow silk, yellow silky reshmi, and such type of things, making such type of things, you can make a beautiful gift, and that gift will make your father happy. In this purpose, Kezia's mother advises Kezia to make a such type of gift. And after this way, Kezia is very little girl, so she follows and she follows the order of her grandma. What happens? Let me roll down in the next paragraph. Paragraph number 5. In this paragraph number 4, we find again that without any reason, you find it's a very easy thing when you observe. You can easily find that there are many persons in the family. This one is, you can say, this one is his habit to child is called any child without any purpose, without any reason. So such type of way here her father behaves with his daughter. What happens? Let me roll down paragraph number 5. Laboriously with a double cotton, the little girl stitch माने किसी चीज को टाँका लगाने की प्रक्रिया को stitch बोलते हैं. Stitched 3 sides, but what to fill it with, na? That was the question. The grandmother was out in the garden, and she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. On the bed table she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper, gathered them up, tore them into tiny tear. It's verb and noun both. Tear, when tear becomes verb, the meaning of tear, farana, tear them into tiny pieces and stuffed banana her case, then sewed up the foreside. In this way, as soon as her grandma advises her to make a gift for her father's upcoming birthday, for this one she starts making a gift, and for this thing she takes a double cotton, and the little girl, when she takes something, you can say cotton thing, and she stitches, ne? She stitches this thing by three sides, and after this way, but what to fill it with, ne? But suppose that she takes a cotton cloth, and after this one she stitches, ne? By three sides, and after the stitching three side, she wants to fill up something inside the box, and for this thing she wants to ask something, some new advice from her grandma. But when she enters the room, she finds her grandma is absent. Her grandma is not present in the room. So because her grandma has gone to the garden, so without thinking anything, she means Kezia enters her mother's bedroom, and when she enters her mother bedroom, she finds many pieces, many papers, on the table, on the dining table, on the table, and she takes all the papers from that place, and after taking the papers, she starts tearing, and tearing it, and tear it into many small pieces, and after them she puts all the pieces inside the box, and after putting all these things inside the box, she sews means seal dena. In this way, in this paragraph, we find that how she makes her gift for her father, and what process she does in this paragraph. I hope you are understanding. Let me roll down in the next paragraph. That night there was a hue and cry in this. Hue and cry is a phrase, no? This one is the group of words, hue and cry. It means boisterous. Boisterous means kolahal. So that night there was a hue and cry in the house. Father's great speech for the port authority had been lost. Rooms were researched, sovereigns questioned. Finally, mother came into Kezia's room. In this way, without permission, she enters her mother's bedroom, and she takes the pieces of paper. And after taking the pieces of paper, Kezia stops it, yeah, puts it inside the box, and after insiding the box she use it. In this way, when her father returns to the house, and she starts searching out the pieces of paper, not the pieces of paper, because they are lost. And when he does not find the pieces of paper, she starts making noise. She asks her wife, mother, and servants, everyone, and he asks them where that important paper, where that's important paper, because it's a very important paper for the port authority. But no one answers, but no one finds. When no one finds, Kezia's grandmother enters Kezia's room, and she asks Kezia about the port authority paper. Kezia replies, na, Kezia, I suppose you didn't see some papers on a table in our room. Who enters Kezia's room? Kezia's room enters her mother. So in this way, oh yes, she said, oh, I told them for my surprise. In this way, when Kezia's mother enters Kezia's room, she asks Kezia, I think you you saw the papers in my bedrooms. the present time that are lost. I think you see the papers in my bedroom. And suppose when she is not saying to her with authority, but she is guessing that suppose perhaps you see the papers that are very important paper present time everyone is searching out. If you see, can you tell me? And as soon as her mother asks her, she replies that yes, she has taken the paper, and she tears the paper, and tearing the paper, she stuffs the paper inside the box. And this one is the reason inside the box. And after what happened, what screamed mother come straight down to the dining room this instant means suddenly means without spending time. She asks her daughter, please come to my bedroom with me. And she cries also, what what did you do? No, such type of thing she cries. And after saying that, she requests, she advises her, please come to my bedroom with me. After then what happens, let me roll down paragraph number 6. And she was dragged माने किसी को पकड़ कर ना घसीटने की प्रक्रिया को ड्रैगिंग कहते हैं. Because she is very little girl, so her mother holds her hands and she starts dragging her daughter. And after then what happened, and she was dragged down to where father was. Pacemaker, I think you know a word, pacemaker suppose the pace मान चाल को बढ़ाने की प्रक्रिया pacing बोलते हैं. To and fro, here and there बोलते हैं. This one is the here and there. Here and there mean यहाँ वहाँ, I think हाँ. To and fro, hands behind his back. Well, he said sharply. Mother explained. He stopped and stared at the child. Did you do that? No, 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 she whispered. Mother go up to her room and fetch down the damned thing. See that the child's put to the bed this instant. In this way, her mother holds her hands. In this way, her mother holds her hands, and she drags her to the dining room. Yeah, to the dining room. And after dining room, uh, she makes her stand in front of her father. And in this way her mother answers. Her mother tells him that this is the girl, it is this who stole, yeah, you can say who spilled the paper. And when Kezia enters the mother's bedroom, she finds that her father is wandering here and there. It means he wants to search out the papers. And as soon as her mother explains him that she spiles the paper, he starts staring at him. And he looks at him, and looking at him he asks her that it is you who spoils the paper. She whispers, no, no, such type of whispering means budbudana. And after this one mother go up to her room. And after this one mother has gone to her room and fetched down the damn thing. See that the child's put it to bed this instant. And after this way, it means after this one mother goes to the Kejia's room, and from there she fetch down means Lana. She brings the gifts that is made by Kejia to her father. She brings the thing from there, and then she says that this one is the damned thing for making this thing your daughter for making this thing Kejia tears all the important paper. In this way what happens, let me roll down next paragraph number 7. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room watching the evening light, making a sad little pattern on the floor. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadow room watching the evening light, make a sad little pattern on the floor. In these lines we find that what happens, to her when her father starts looking at him, when her father starts looking at him, when father stares her, she cries to tell him that for which purpose she steals, yes, she spies, yes, she steals the important paper, but she can't able to speak this, because whenever she finds her father in front of her eyes, whenever she finds her father in front of her eyes, she is feared, yes, she is scared, she is afraid of, no? In this way she is unable to explain. And after this, when she finds herself in the light of the evening light, and she is very sad, and she pattern on the floor, a sad little pattern on the floor. It means कहते हैं लाल पीला दिखना है, माने when she finds that her danger stands in front of her eyes, she can't looks anything, na, around herself. And after this, what happens, let me roll down. Then father came into the room with a ruler in his hands. Rulers mean scale, you can say. Then father, it means listening. When father knows that it is her who spiles the papers, he returns here, he goes to anywhere else, and from there he brings a ruler brings a ruler from there. And what happens, I am going to beat you for this, he said. Oh no, no, she screamed, hiding under the bed cloths. He pulled them aside, na? In this way, when he brings the ruler, na, from there, because he wants to beat means beat, na? He wants to beat her child, by that ruler. And when he starts saying to her that she is going to beat her by that ruler, she stammers once again, and she said, no, no, father, no, no. And for this thing, she wants to hide herself, and she goes under the bed. Yeah, you can say she goes under the bed sheet. But her father puts out her daughter. And after this, what happened? Sit up, he ordered, and hold out your hands. You must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. In this way, here father is out of control. He decides that he believes in the philosophy that by beating the child, he or she can be improved. But it's totally wrong thing. I think a person who beats her children, yeah, his children, they are totally stupid type person, they are totally foolish type person. Because beating, I this one is my personal experience. If I beat our child, I think that can't improve anyone. संस्कार पीटने से बच्चों में नहीं आता, उनको साथ उस तरह से व्यवहार करने में आता है, क्योंकि बच्चे लर्निंग बाय डूइंग, करके सीखते हैं। इसलिए हम ये ठीक चीज़ें नहीं। तो हियर what happens, her father decides that he beats he beats his daughter, and he believes in this philosophy that by beating his daughter, he will improve her, and he will teach her a lesson. What happens, let me roll down. But it was for your birthday. Here I find that she is totally nervous, she is so feared that she can't express herself in front of her father. So how much she is nervous. And whenever a child is nervous in her house, in his house, how his body development, how he or she can develop himself or herself, माने कुंठापन होना. So here we find such type of thing. And after then what happened, but it was for your birthday. It means she is not able to speak the primary word. That's very important to express yourself. It is result how she is feared, no? How she is afraid of her father. So let me roll down. I think you are understanding, you are under what I am teaching. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. Palms, it means palm. This one is the palm and hateli hota pink. And child is a child. This one, it's very small child. So pink palms. And as soon as his father, as soon as his sorry her father beats her, her palm becomes red. Her palms becomes red. And after that, what happened? Hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, रॉक जो वर्ब है नाउन बोथ रॉक में चट्टान जैसा नहीं बल्कि रॉकिंग चेयर द चाइल्ड क्लंग टू हर सेफ्टी क्लिंज होता है क्लिंज दिस वन इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्लिंज थर्ड फॉर्म क्लंग टू हर सॉफ्ट बॉडी इन दिस वे आवर्स लेटर many hours later when her grandmother enters the room enters Kejia's room. She takes kgs in her palm, yeah, you can say in her hands, and after taking the kgs she makes her sitting on the rock chair. And after this one, as soon as she when kgs finds her grandmother in her room, she holds her grandmother body, and after then what happened? What did God make fathers for? Na? She sobbed means सिसकियों को भरना, आहें भरना, सिसकी आना. Here's a clean hanky, darling. Blow your nose, go to sleep. Na? At pet you will forget all about in the morning. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. It means in these lines with father here, Kezia is totally upset with the behavior of his father, and she is broken by heart, and she questions, she asks some questions that why God made, why God made father, for which purpose God made father. And she is crying, but her grandmother is unable to explain anything. She only says that she only says to her that wash your mouths and go to sleep. Early morning you will totally forget about all these things. And it means she is not able to tell, she is not able to answer the questions what Kezia asked her. And her grandmother also says to her that she tries many ways to make your father understand, but he is totally upset tonight when he does not find the important papers that are lost. So in this way, this was the meaning. Let me roll down paragraph, no, sorry. But the child never forgot, no? Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back and red color flew into her cheeks. In this way, once upon a time, once a child is feared afraid, no? It is seen that throughout life she is afraid of any person. So here once she is beaten by her father, she is so totally afraid, she is totally upset. And now when she looks her father, she puts her hands backside na? Yeah, she puts her hands backside and she becomes very nervous, and her cheeks become red na? In this way, this one is the physical appearance of the child na? Let me roll down paragraph number 9. What happens in the paragraph number 9? I think my video has been proper, so I want to stop here. Okay, thanks.